How to install VELUX Combi-Flash skylights. The EKL combination flashing system can accommodate horizontal frame-to-frame spacing from 2.5 inches to 12 inches. It also allows for vertical configurations at a fixed 4.25 inch frame-to-frame spacing. Step 1. Interior prep. Before cutting into the ceiling, head up to the attic and clear away insulation. Mark out the shape of the shaft using snap lines. Watch out for wires, gas lines, ductwork, or trusses, and avoid cutting through them. Take down all lighting fixtures and rearrange any obstacles in the interior. Double-check the measurements of the interior trusses. Decide where the skylights will go and install a header and footer below the roof deck. If the trusses aren't 24 inches apart, consider adjusting the spacing by shearing some roof deck nails. You might need to add furring to ensure the skylights are evenly spaced at the top and bottom. Don't forget to add insulation, frame the shaft, and plan for drywalling. Step 2. Exterior prep. From the inside, hammer nails into the 4 corners to mark the rough opening. Create guidelines by snapping lines along all 4 edges to define the skylights. Start cutting out the individual skylight openings. It's a good idea to remove the shingles beforehand. Be careful when removing debris. Take out the shingles around each skylight, making sure to remove at least 12 inches between openings. Step 3. Installation. Begin by placing the skylight over the rough opening, ensuring it's centered and the framing lines up with the outside of the skylight's drywall return. Remove the cladding. To keep the skylight bottoms aligned, place a 2x4 across the skylight's bottom edge. Prepare wooden spacer blocks to achieve the desired distance between skylights and place them at the top and bottom corners.
Secure the skylight to the deck with the ring shank nails provided, ensuring all nail holes are filled.
Step 4.
Wrapping the skylight with adhesive underlayment.
Once the final skylight is in place, apply adhesive underlayment starting at the bottom and make sure it goes behind the gaskets. Cut 45-degree angles at the corners of the underlayment to wrap it around the edges. Continue applying adhesive underlayment to the gutter areas. Install shingles at the base of the skylights. Once the shingles are in place, begin installing the bottom sill flashings. Make sure the flashing goes behind the condensation gasket at the bottom sides of the skylight. Connect the bottom sill flashings using the provided slide strips and secure them by crimping with a hammer.
Now you can install the shingles and step flashing. Ensure each individual shingle has its own piece of step flashing.
Proceed with installing the gutters, ensuring they overlap the base flashing and slide strip. For shorter skylights, trim the gutters according to the measurements provided. Before installing the head flashing, remember to put back the cladding. Place the head flashing under the shingles, maintaining a 2.5 to 4 inch gap from the bottom of the shingle for debris to wash away.
To allow for proper drainage, interweave roofing underlayment as shown. Flatten down upstand with a hammer as directed.
Join the head flashings together using longer slide strips. Step 5. Sit back and enjoy your new skylights.